Hey, good morning again, everyone. So I got the power supply out. I have eliminated this like I do in all my power supplies. That will allow the power supply to take more amperage. So we're just going to toss that in the trash. And you can see where I strapped it. Or I just bent the legs over and just soldered it up. So we're going to throw this in the trash. Alright. So I have 25 volt caps in here now. You can see the difference in the size of the 25 volt and 16 volt. Again, like I say, this was just an oversight by the repairer. I'm 100% sure of that. I wish I would have seen this earlier, but I didn't. So anyway, I turned the power supply on and it didn't come on. So I'm thinking, well, maybe the cap shorted out one of these back here. Something happened. No telling. So I just got to looking around. The power supply is still on 220 volts. It was never switched over to 110. So now that's just in haste. It was overlooked also. No big deal. Well, I guess it is kind of a big deal because it was only running on 5 power supplies. Still, which goes to show that 5 power supplies is fine. It was only dropping 1/10 of a volt at 16.7 volts too. So anyway, I got that. Let's switch this thing over to 110. Alright. Turn the power on. It comes on now. Now what blew the caps, even though the power supply was not functioning, what blew the caps is the 16.7 volts from the other power supplies, from the bus bar, it being fed. It still goes through here, and the 16 volt caps couldn't take the pressure. So anyway, let's see what the volts are here. 16 point, it's still dropping down a little bit. 16.08. The other ones are at 16.7. This one's at 16.08, so we're getting close to a whole complete volt drop, volt difference. So now I got more work to do. Now I have to eliminate this and redo this mod right here. Cut this off and get it back up a little higher. Okay, so that's where we're at. Just want to make a short video of that, checking the power supply, and we're out of here. We got work to do, and I'm gone. 73s, y'all.